it's painful to expose the position the fair price shops are going through in the last few years. Here I have my staff, Miss Fatima, who is working for more than 28 years. Miss Premlata, who is working for more than 8 years. And what we are today facing is non-viable situation of running a fair price shop. You can see this. This is the state of rice we received. Today and yesterday I read on Herald where the inspector and director are saying that this can be replaced. To replace this stock, I have to transport it back to Kortali, and from Kortali back to here, and I have to pay the labor charges. Who is going to pay this? For the last 3 years, we have still not received our payment of PMGKY food grains we have distributed free of cost. Even this question has been raised in the assembly. Mrs. Rane and Mr. Viegas, both MLAs, have raised and they've got assurance that it would be paid. But till today, no payment has been received. This is the situation where all fair price shops in Goa are suffering, and many of them are about to close down. They are keeping in touch with me and phoning me and asking me, sir, what to do? Our shops are non-viable because this POS machines introduction has become very difficult to operate. Even people leave the shop and go and then don't collect the ration because they cannot wait till this machine authenticates their card. This is the situation.
Patram Kal tumka denying that such quality rice is, they are saying it is not there. They are saying we conducted inspection in the godown, we conducted inspection in the fair price shops. Did anybody come to you or inquire with you?
Nobody has come to inquire with me. I have to myself face, my staff have to face. They try to clean this as much they can.
Can you just hold it in your hand and show us what kind of rice that you have got with you?
Look at these lumps. Who will take this kind of rice? If you come in the morning, you can see about 150 pigeons here. I better feed them than to suffer transporting to Kortali and retransporting here with labor charges. This is the state of affairs.
How many such bags you have found so far?
10 bags I have disposed of for birds
There
in this month's quota.
There could be more bags. You think with
Yes, maybe.
But it is a fact that rice full of maggots and everything is delivered.
Anybody can come and see this situation. Apart from this, remember, we all fair price shop are suffering what is known as handling costs. You see, in every bag from transporting from godown to here, at least you get 2% shortage. Even this issue has been raised in the assembly. Mrs. Rane was very clear that every fair price shop is suffering 2% of handling loss. And the government has accepted this situation. In fact, I have in writing from our previous minister that 1% would be considered as handling loss. But nothing is practically happening.
So you think it is better to feed the pigeons than actually transporting this to the godown and getting it replaced?
What are the solution we have? If they are denying this quantity that they are giving us, what else is left? They should go to their own godowns and verify, not come to the fair price shop and verify.
They are saying that they had inspection in the fair price shop, but they did not find such kind of, not too many bags. They are saying there's a possibility that maybe a few, here and there. You think so?
Not true, absolutely not true. They have to just tide away past time.